Star. Car. Star.
Car. Star.
Yes, very good. Oh, give your reward again. Car, star. Do you like cars?
Car.
Do you like car? Do you like a car? Yes or no?
Do you like
Do you
cars?
like car?
Or doll, because you're a girl?
Do you like it?
Car.
Yes,
Yes,
car. Yes, I
Yes,
do.
I know.
Or no, I don't.
Yes,
like doll.
I like it. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Okay, so car, star. Okay, let's go to these. Car, star, very good. What about this one? Here. It has the E sound. E. You have to smile. E. E. Smile. E. Okay, B. B.
B.
Alright, B. Okay, what about this?
B.
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 B. Oh, very nice. What about this? Jessie. Here.
B.
This one. Tree.
Tree.
Tree. E.
Tree.
Tree. Oh,
Tree.
Great. Okay, oh, there's another one. Key.
Key.
Very good. That's really great. B. Tree.
B.
Tree.
Key.
Tree. Tree.
Key.
B.
Key.
No, no.
Okay, very good. That's great. Oh, I hope it's always like that. What about this one? We will have the at sound. Same sound, Jessie.
Cat.
Meow. Cat. At cat. Okay, what about this?
What's this?
You put it on your head. Alright, cat. So remember, it has the same sound. So we have cat, hat, cat, hat, cat, hat. Look at this. Oh, this hat has a cat.
The cat is on the hat.
The cat is on the hat. Do you like hats? Do you like hats?
You say yes or no?
Do you
Yes.
like hats? Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes.
I like.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay, I like hats too. You can wear it on the summer. Summer. Okay, summer. Right, what about this? Oh, this one is a little scary.
What's this?
Here,
Sorry, I don't know.
this one is bat.
Bat.
Bat. Okay, so we have the same sound, right? We have cat, cat. Oh, are you scared? Oh,
What's this?
we have cat, hat,
Bat.
and also bat.
Right.
Alright, okay. Hat, cat, bat. Alright. Okay, let's try to write. Let me know if you can write the letters. Okay, I'll give you the pen. Oh, very nice. That is really awesome. Yes, this is letter A. Can you write it? Like this. Here, do like 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you try?
3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, almost perfect.
1, 2.
Oh, very good. That one is much better. The 1, 2, 3. We will have this is the mommy A or the capital letter A. Okay, mommy A. A. Okay, A. There. All right. Okay. So what is the sound of letter A? What is the sound of letter A? Oh, you tried it one more time. We say ah, 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 ah. For what is this?
What's this? What's this?
Apple.
Okay, apple. Yes, ah for apple. Wow, this is so cute. Apple. Also, it could sound. So we have apple. Apple. Apple.
I.
Apple.
Apple.
Okay, apple.
Apple.
All right. Also, A could sound like A. A as in A. Like, what is this one?
A.
A.
A for, what is this? A for airplane. Airplane. Okay?
Airplane.
Yes, Jessie? Airplane. Airplane. Okay. So A, letter A is for apple. This one, apple. And A for airplane. All right? Can I hear it, Jessie? Apple.
Apple.
Airplane. It's okay. Very good. Apple. Airplane. A.
A.
All right. There are two sounds, okay? Two sounds. A and A. All right.
And A.
Yes. And you can write this letter, so that's really, really awesome. So let's practice some more. Okay. I'll give you the pen. So you can follow this. Trace the line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, very good. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Wow, look at that. You did it so well. I love it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, other sounds of letter A. So this, what is this again, Jessie? What is this again, Jessie?
This.
A for
Apple.
apple. Okay, do you like apples? Sweet apples. Yummy.
You like it? Yes, I like it.
I like it.
You like apples? Oh, I like it too. Which color do you like? Green or red? Green or red apple? Which color do you like, Jessie?
What is that?
Right.
Oh, the red one. Look at this. There is also, of course, we also have green apple. Can you see it? Red and green apple. Okay.
Red.
Oh, you like the red one. Okay. Okay, what about this? Jessie, let's have the other two letters. Here.
What's this?
Alligator.
Oh, so scary. I'm scared of alligators. Very good. Alligator. 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 It goes like that. And it can eat. Alligator. Oh my. So scary. Are you scared of alligator? Yes, I am. Or no, I'm not.
I'm sterile.
Scared. Oh, okay. What about this? Let's have the last letter. Oh, last one. This one. What is this? What is this? What is this, Jessie? Astronaut. 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 Okay. Jessie, not. It's almost done, Jessie. Okay, so there. Wow, Jessie's very cooperative. Very good. I'll give you an award again. Okay, Jessie, you did very well today or tonight. And okay, I hope to see you next time. All right?
Yes.
Okay, goodbye. Good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye.